Hi, I'm Farjit Mia. I'm freelance copywriter. Today I talk about the 4 psychological trigger that you can use your copywriting. Copywriting is art, and great copywriter use this psychological trigger in their copywriting. There is no magical word that you can use instantly hypnotize your audience and they can take out their credit or debit card and give you the money. You need to learn these psychological triggers and you can apply this in your copywriting. The psychology trigger number 1, personalization. Using personalization in your copywriting is a very powerful psychological trigger. It does not keep people attention but also make them feel more control, receptive and reduce their perception of information overall. You can use personalization in your subject line, sales pages and email and headlines. Next, move on to the next psychological trigger number 2, social proof. Social proof also is a very powerful psychological trigger in copywriting. When you see the real evidence of the other people using and liking the product, we more likely believe that it's a good product and trust the brand. Psychology trigger number 3 is creating a common enemy. Human beings love to be on a team and fight for a cause. It makes us more supported and we make us feel that we make the right decision. I'm not talking about you do politics in a copywriting, they may be backfire, but rather you gather your audience in a common around a common cause, that viewpoint, believe that align with their identity, because they want to belong with a group, they have a same worldview they do. So communicate a common enemy in your copywriting is a great way to create a sense of belonging in your copy. So but it does not mean to you have to have a person, it can be anything that stand opposition in your audience that stands for. Fourth and the final psychological trigger is the create a sense of urgency. Is a very powerful psychological trigger you can use in copywriting. Imagine you had to purchase a product, but there is a clock countdown and until the finish the product is no longer available. You move faster and make this purchase. That's called urgency. The customer feels urgency to take action out of fear or to miss the deal. So you can use this sense of urgency in your copywriting to make your audience to take a certain kind of action. That's it. If this video really helpful to you, then like this video and share it with your friends and comment down below what you think about these 4 psychological triggers, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for my videos notification.